Sereno's. We're going into the woods. What's up, my pizzas? It's Carter Pizza Williams. We with the gang, beat the gang. So, we're going into the woods today.
We're recording each other.
Yeah.
But guys, we're going into the woods. So yeah, Carter's recording on his channel. Right there. Kaylee's over
But
here.
this guy decided to eat his hiking snack.
For eating her YouTube channel soon. Also, we just saw Nuts in the woods. If you guys don't know who Nuts is our pet squirrel. He somehow got out of his cage.
Yeah. But this guy decided to eat his hiking snack.
Well, I wanted a hiking snack.
Alright guys, here's the exit to
Bro, you had to save that for the woods.
Actually, the exit.
Yeah, like this.
We're actually in the woods, guys.
Yeah.
So we got Nuts and we sent him up the hill so he can get more nuts.
But anyways, make sure you like,
All these people, bro.
subscribe, and turn on the notifications.
And that's how far we're going.
Yeah,
They're still coming back.
yeah, sometimes we go even farther and we go.
We are on a branch, guys. So, we're on a branch. We ain't camping out here.
Wait, I'm gonna walk over here.
This is here is up and after.
Alright. We're on the log bridge over here.
Want me to help?
Oh!
No bees in my ears. So, guys,
Bro, I feel so tall. I can see my house.
I've been doing a lot of cooking videos, but I have to tell you this, guys. I have a secret to tell you guys. I've been waiting for a long time. Guess what? In 3 weeks, we're moving. Sorry you have to take that personal pizzas, but it's a much bigger house than mine.
Yeah, guys. It's sad because there'll be so many memories of videos in Carter's house.
Yeah.
But don't worry, I'm not moving anytime soon.
Yeah.
But when I do move, I'm gonna make a memory video of all the videos I've done on my channel. All the memories.
I have
You Carter.
Yeah. I'm doing the CPW marathon. Also,
guys, where do we go?
I will not be doing.
Oh, I just broke it on.
Yeah. So there won't be any more videos until we settle in to the new house. So that means no cooking with Carter, no trailer reactions, it's no food reviews, and no vlogs, no gaming videos. That's it. Just no more until I get settled in.
Yeah, so you guys might not see a video from him in a long time.
Yeah.
But don't worry because he might sometimes come over my house still.
Yeah.
And we can vlog here.
Yeah, but it might be until. Yeah, and plus the place is Laurel Ridge.
Wait, is that your Kendra?
No, it's near Wackman's. We're near Conrad's.
Guys, watch it down there. I just found myself.
Oh, hi, Nat, come here. Oh, hi, boy.
Guys, if you didn't know, this is Nuts' home. This is his big tree right here.
Oh my God! I just broke. You posted this on YouTube?
This is like a seesaw, guys. You can break it, and it's so hot. Oh! I broke it.
Okay, record me.
Huh? But,
Dang it, he didn't even tell us his address of the tree.
Kaylee, you're not even recording.
Sorry. His address said 2 green stuff.
Yeah, don't hit Nuts' house.
1, 2.
Time to carve something in Nuts' house. Let me see that.
Or probably 3.
Carving his name. Nuts.
Alright, somebody.
Get
Carter.
Ah!
Carter. Carter, here you go.
Oh, is it recording? Well, let me see.
Oh, gosh.
All right.
I just took a
So-
break. All right, let's about to fix this house. Caylee, you stop recording? No, she's still recording.
Okay, well, Minecraft players be like.
Now let me see. You recording me.
Minecraft players be like.
Let me record me, Caylee.
Or no, Carter.
Minecraft players be like. Boom, boom.
Oh my God, this stick broke.
Come on.
Oh, here's your phone, man. But we're taking a nature hike. So this is titled Carter's
Actually,
Nature
it's not a
Hike.
hike.
We're
Carter-
just exploring.
Well, just nature walk. What about nature walk in the forest?
Fine.
It's called a wood walk.
Yep.
Guys, make sure not to go too far.
Nuts! Where are you, Nuts?
He's always me.
Wow.
Hey guys, look over there now. Come on, Matt. Guys, I go
The
down.
grass is always
Also,
green.
guys, there's like a river or something over here. Let's go look at the river.
The grass ain't always greener on the other side.
Nuh-uh, you can just come back. Caylee, and go over.
Ah! Don't fly this guy in my ear. All right, I got a hiking stick. Are you serious?
Let me see it.
Hiking stick.
Let's go.
Oh, looks like we're going. Well, we never got to see the other side.
Yeah, because it's dangerous.
Ah! This dumb
Caylee,
spot.
don't be a scaredy cat.
You know what? Let's just leave her in the house.
Literally perfect. Where did Caylee go?
Come on, go.
Can we go check over here? Caylee! Where are you? Why? Come back!
Go away!
Just come straight! Okay then, never mind.
Run! But watch out for sticks. Haley.
Oh! Yo!
What?
I just broke that tree off all the way at the top. Watch this.
Oh. God.
This is my hiking stick. Me and Carter got hiking stick. Watch out, Caylee.
Where did you just put it down?
Oh, wait.
No! Caylee, why would you do that?
Oh, no!
Oh my God, guys, look.
I can push this one down. Wait, no.
Push it. Oh.
Guys, look at these ants. There's something after these ants.
Oh, man, that was the answer's house.
Oh my god!
They like camouflage.
I don't think they're ants. They're some type of bug.
Probably
Bye
where
bye, hiking stick. I want to try to push this down. Incoming, Carter and Caylee. Ah! Wait, it's stuck.
that's
Watch out! I'm gonna make it fall. Oh!
Have you tried the new chicken sandwich at Burger King? It's good.
It looks like a spider. Kind of, the tree.
All right, come on, let's
Like
go.
all the spider legs. All right, let's go this way. Because there's like a stint over here. Like, just follow me. Someone walk. Right through here. We got the gang.
Hey, Kaylee. We got the trio open here.
They call us the dynamic trio.
guys.
Oh, God. There's so many dogs barking. I just slipped off of this. I was like, whoa.
Oh, probably because the tree is old and rotten.
Whoa. Alright, guys, here it is. You know, you might not be able to see these. There's water down there.
Oh, I see the water.
And there's water over there. Bro, this is the farthest we've ever been. Because we never came over here.
Oh, I think I just saw a firefly.
Oh, what?
A firefly.
Oh, yeah. I saw a firefly too. Over there! There's a firefly. Watch it, guys. It'll light up. See that? people keep them in jars, but they can't hurt you. Kind of like cicadas. They can't hurt you.
Come on, guys, let's go.
I don't think they can hurt you. But a lot of people put them in jars.
Where?
Well, that's it for this nature hike. The dogs are literally barking. Never mind. Parkour. Whoa.
It would be cool if we went up there. But we don't live over there.
Yeah. Come on.
The grass ain't always.
Guys, let's go.
What's in here? Wow, I see water.
Yep, guys, here's the water.
Look at that water.
That's stuck. Hopefully that's not poison ivy. Nope, that's not poison ivy.
According to the Loud House, mud cures it.
What?
Mud cures it.
Guys, I just heard guys,
What?
I just heard something, so we should go.
Let's go.
Parkour!
Go. Parkour! I see it.
Hello, Carter.
Hello, Justin.
Come on.
Ma'am, let's go back inside.
What's up, guys?
That's it for this video. Like, subscribe, turn on notifications every time I post a new video. Like I said, like and subscribe, turn on notifications. Peace out.
And subscribe.
Peace out. Peace out. Why are your fingers in the way?
Huh?
Fingers in the way.
Peace. Jackson is ready for the arrival.
So, guys, we're just gonna chill out, watch TV. I'm gonna edit the video. Also, guess what? Big news, moving. Also, guess what? We go into Orlando. Caylee. We're going to Orlando.
We're going to go to Orlando.
I'm gonna be posting vlogs, even us leaving Maryland. So, peace out. Like and subscribe. Also, check out all of my videos.